Hello, my name is Jess and I'm the founder of Sallie Tomato. Today I'm going to share with you a dose of holiday sparkle. So let's unwrap day 6 of our Holiday Royale Advent Box. Day 6. This dazzling material reflects the holiday light beautifully and is ideal for your next eye-catching accessory. Save this to use with tomorrow's project, and we would love to see what you create. Be sure to use the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. Ooh la la. Today's item is a 1/4 yard of sequins fabric. Like I mentioned, you'll want to hold on to this item because there is a project that is coming soon that you may want to save this fabric for. While you wait, I have some tips on sewing with sequins fabric. First of all, you'll want to start with a fresh needle. We recommend using a Schmetz ballpoint or Microtex size 70-11 for sewing with sequins fabric. And most often you can use sequins in place of any fabric such as cotton or canvas when your project calls for that fabric type. The sequence that we've included is our Sallie Tomato sequence. Since it is a finer sequence, you can sew directly through the sequence in the seam allowance. If your machine has a single hole throat plate, we recommend putting that on versus using your standard throat plate because that will help prevent the sequence from being drawn down into the feed dog area. It's important to note the direction in which the sequins lay, which is called the nap of the fabric. Depending on the type of sequins that you have, you'll want to make sure that the sequins all lay towards the bottom in the same direction for the most natural, uniform look. You don't want to end up with sequins going in opposite directions in your final project. Another tip is that you do not want to put sequins in the washing machine. It will be spot clean only with a damp cloth and a mild soap. And finally, do not iron sequins. You'll want to cover the sequins fabric with a press cloth or a piece of cotton fabric and iron on a low setting to prevent any of the plastic sequins from melting to your iron. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions about working with sequin fabric, and visit our blog for more tips and inspiration for this material. So please share photos with us using the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. We hope you enjoyed the magic of today's item, and we'll see you tomorrow for another unboxing video of another item of our Holiday Royale Advent Box. Happy holidays!